So hey, what's up guys, this is Karthik and welcome back to CodeLearn. So guys, in the previously video we have learned about modules, external and built-in in Python, and in this video we are going to learn about string formatting. So before wasting our time, make sure that you have liked this video and smash the subscribe button to get the latest video updates. So guys, here you can see string formatting Python end-to-end course, and guys don't worry, I will provide this link in the description box so you can able to access this URL. So now you can see string formatting. The format method allows you to format selected parts of a string. Sometimes there are parts of a text that you do not control. Maybe they come from the database or user input. To control such values, add placeholders, curly brackets in the text and run the values through the format method. So here you can see the code. So in this code you can see a variable is declared and it is assigned with the numeric value which is 29, and after that you can see txt is a variable which is assigned with the string which is the price is a curly bracket dollars, and after that you can see print txt.format price. So this this code basically performs the thing for us, which is inside the first of all guys, you can see the txt, and inside that you can see the prices and the curly bracket, and that curly bracket is assigned with the value of 29. So let's copy this code and open a Visual Studio Code, and inside this folder, a Python folder, we have to create a new file with the name string_formatting.py, and then paste the code here and save the program and run this code. So guys, just wait a second. Here you can see guys, the price is $29 is printed. Guys, when I remove this variable which is price, and after we run this code, you can see it shows me an error. The error is the price, because the price is the variable name which I have deleted right now, and it shows me an error because the price named variable is not available in our code. So we have to make that line of code again, and let me clear out this terminal and run this code again. So you can see the price is $29. So after that guys, you can see and guys, you can add a parameter to this curly brackets. So let me just copy this code and guys paste this. Let me first of all comment out this code and paste that code here, and just wait a second guys. Yeah, and again run this file. You can see it shows me the price is $29.00. So guys, how to assign a multiple values? So guys, if you want to use more values, just add one just add more values to the format method. So you have to do this: print txt.format price, item number and count. So guys, this is the one line code for this print statement. So let's copy this whole code and comment out this code. And guys, don't worry, I will provide this code on my website CodeLearn Docs, and guys don't forget to check out CodeLearn.pythonanywhere.com. and guys, in CodeLearn you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery, Bootstrap 4, Bootstrap 5, PHP and MySQL. So anyways, let me paste this and zoom out this terminal and clear out this command and run it again. So you can see guys, I want 3 pieces of item number 567 for $49. After that guys, I just mean guys, after this quantity variable you can see item number which is 567 and price is 49, and my order is a variable which is assigned with the string value which is I want curly brackets pieces of item number curly bracket for column.2f dollars. So guys, I hope you enjoy the essence of code, and guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe to CodeLearn Docs channel. So bye bye and take care.